Today we're just going to show how to take off the replacement pad on the Gorilla Grabber clamp pad. So the first thing you do is just loosen up the nose piece. This is that tempered nose piece with a little bit longer on the bottom so that it matches even with the base that we have for the wear bar. Okay, and then you go and you just unscrew the screws. Okay, so you get the screws there, and then you just lift it off like this. Okay, and so you'll then attach it to the clamp mechanism itself, and then when you're done with that, you'll put it back on after it, and it will the countersunk screws will fit into these areas here and here and here, and then you go ahead and you put it back on, and you slide it into the nose piece, and you'll see that it's nice and even for the screw to go in. And then you just go ahead and put the screws in. What I do is put them all in just a little bit first, so it helps them to make sure that they're aligned. Okay, and then you just tighten them down. There you go.